Hi, and thank you for taking the time to learn about MedAssist and learn what we need to accomplish in order to meet our goals with our patients. So we're going to start off with an overview. MedAssist is a care management company that works with mostly elderly patients. It's a program that Medicare runs, and the goal of the program is to help assess patients' needs and provide those needs. MedAssist specifically has many patients that have been recently discharged from a nursing home facility, and therefore they have a lot of needs that need to be met quickly in order to transition to a comfortable place and to be able to be kept at home. In fact, one of our main goals is to keep the patient safe at home so that they don't have to be readmitted. In order to do that, it's imperative for you to create and maintain a positive relationship with the person on the other line and the patients that you have assigned to you. You will have 1 hour per week with each patient. We're going to now talk about the 3 different pieces that you will be doing with each of your patients. Emotional connection. Without this, the other 2 will not work, so you need an emotional connection with your patient. You need to fulfill their physical needs that they already need and want, and you need to research and find out what free or low-cost services are available to them based on their diagnosis, age, and location. Obviously, this all sounds very overwhelming, but we're going to do a deep dive into each piece so that you know it and understand it completely. Let's talk about the path of the patient until they reach you. So, as I said, they come into us through a nursing home discharge, which means that the nursing home decided as the patient is leaving that they feel that this patient could benefit from a care manager and that the care manager should help them with the transition home and beyond. So before they come to you, they are actually going to have a virtual doctor visit with our company doctor, Dr. Pinella, who will put in recommendations based on what he sees in the visit. After that happens, the patient is assigned to you, and you reach out to the patient, you introduce yourself, and your first job is to complete a care plan with the patient. The care plan is going to be an assessment which goes through the various goals of the patients, asking and assessing those needs. We're going to discuss that more later on how exactly you fill out a care plan. You will need to establish a weekly time. After you completed the care plan, you're now going to be establishing a weekly time that works for the patient and attempt to do this via video conference. If that's not possible, a phone call is adequate. Each week you will be speaking with the patient at that weekly time to continue maintain connection, and you're going to be researching things for this patient during the remainder of your hour per week with this patient. In the next video, we're going to discuss these 3 pieces of what you're going to be doing on a weekly basis.